Hey everyone, it is Monday, October 24th. It is just after 2:30 p.m. and the temperature right now is around 34 degrees Celsius. And I am here on Sukhumvit Soi 24. And I just made my way over here from Terminal 21 Mall. And for this one, I'm going to head up to the Skytrain and ride one stop back in that direction, as that is where my hotel is. And I haven't done any transit videos or anything of that sort here in Bangkok. And this is my last day here. I'll be flying out tomorrow early afternoon. So this here is Sukhumvit Road. And there's a couple of large shopping centers here. Just over on the left is the Emporium. That's a large luxury themed mall. And there's another one on the other side of the street. And just up above here is the Skytrain. BTS Phrom Phong. They also have a metro system here. But they operate, unfortunately, as separate entities. Although they may have migrated to the same fare card. I'm not really sure if that's the case. I'm just kind of doing the tourist thing. So the way it works is you go to one of these machines here. English. And you pick your stop. So I am here. I am going here. That'll be 16 baht. But unfortunately, I don't have any coins. No fear. You can just go line up here and buy a fare. Hi, Asok Station.
Thank you.
Thank you. I don't really need the coins. Then you take this ticket and you tap on the machine, and then on your way out, you slide it into the machine. As long as you paid the correct fare, you are good to go. I accidentally made a mistake and I put my hotel card into one of these machines and it ate it. Oops. So this is going to Phuket. So I want to go in that direction, which I believe would send me up to the platform here. I see people running. Maybe there's a Skytrain here. Oh, look at that. Great timing, Johnny. Not all of the stations have these protective doors. And unfortunately, you don't really get much of a view, at least not if you're filming, because the Skytrains are wrapped in advertisements. But I've noticed at the very end of the train, such as here, there tends to be clear windows. So what we'll do is, after this train rolls off, I will maybe pause recording and we'll resume once one is rolling into the station. And there it goes, so I will be back. And it looks like a Skytrain is rolling in. And the Skytrain opened back in 1999. There are 2 full lines and 1 partial gold line. And the Metro opened back in 2004. And the Airport Rail Link opened back in 2010. Those are the main forms of transit you'll be taking in Bangkok. Hopefully this one's not too busy. I'll get a nice view out the window.
Asok.
There we go. So we are now at Asok Station. There is the Terminal 21 Mall. This is a very popular part of Bangkok. There's a lot of hotels here and nightlife and that sort of thing. And what's really neat is my hotel room sits right on top of these tracks, and I have an awesome view of all the Skytrains going back and forth. All right, so let's make our way out of the station, where I will return this card, which I'm sure will get reused. I don't know if they clean or sanitize them. And even though these are open air stations and they can be quite warm, there's a lot of conveniences in them. I think everyone I've seen has elevator access. There's an arrow leading to the lift. And there is the lift. All right, let's feed our card into the beast. We'll stick our card in there. Thank you for using the BTS Skytrain. And you could go left here and head down into the metro or into the shopping mall. And there's also a large hotel there. But I am heading in this direction over to my hotel. So there we go, a rather quick one-stop Skytrain video. So we'll end with the view of this rather nutty intersection. My hotel is just over there, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. And if you wish to support the channel, there's links to my Patreon and YouTube channel membership in the description. And I have an Instagram account at Johnny Strides. And there is a super thanks button appearing below the video. All right, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.